First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI talking characters, start by choosing the character image you want to animate. Use a clear image where the character's face is visible and the important facial features are easy to see. Next, upload the image into the Veo AI workflow that supports image-based video generation. Now describe what you want the character to do and how the scene should look. If you want the character to appear as if they are speaking, describe the facial movement, natural head movement, body gestures, and overall performance clearly. For example, you could describe a professional presenter standing in a modern studio, looking directly at the camera, speaking naturally with subtle facial expressions and realistic hand gestures. With soft cinematic lighting and a clean background. If your workflow supports a reference or audio input for talking characters, use the appropriate feature to help synchronize the character's performance with the intended speech. Generate the video and carefully review the result. Check the character's face, mouth movement, eyes, head position, hands, and overall body motion. If the movement looks unnatural, simplify the action and avoid asking the character to perform too many complicated movements at the same time. Keep the character's appearance consistent by using the same reference image and visual description when creating additional scenes.